YouTube family, what is good with y'all on this good Sunday, man? How y'all feeling? Your boy Jay is back to hit y'all with some more early looking shoes, man. So this shoe that I do have is set to release in May. We already in May. Basically, we're knocking at the door, man. This is the last day of the month, man. So we are rolling into May, and we got a shoe that is releasing on May 18th, man. If you're feeling lucky, this shoe might be for you, man. Before we get into it, if this is your first time stopping through, man, make sure y'all stick around, smash that subscribe and that like button. Join the fam, man. Make sure the notification bell is rung so that you can get notified whenever the new vids drop. But besides all that, man, hopefully y'all are in good spirits. And yeah, man, we do got some early heat, man. Shout out to the homie Fine Line 1721. Of course, he has been the plug for forever, man. If y'all have been on the YouTube scene and watching videos, y'all already know he been plugging in the homie Mike Rich. He been plugging in just a lot of people throughout the sneaker community, man. So y'all already know, man. So shout out to the homie Fine Line 1721. He did supply the kicks. And before we dive into it real quick, man, y'all make sure that y'all are traveling in the right way. Bang! The Sole Premise way, man. As you can see, I do have that forest dark green bag right here. This is a daily commuter bag, which can hold 2 pairs of shoes in this backpack style bag, man. Head over to Sole Premise, check one out today. They do have a variety, assortment of different colors, man. So as you can see, space on the top and bottom for shoes. You got space in the middle for clothes, accessories. You got your laptop holder, all that good stuff, man. It's a lot of room in this bag, and like I told y'all in my last video, hurry up, man, before it's too late, because these will be hitting retailers soon and the prices will go up, man. So use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy down below in the description. It will save you on a Sole Premise bag, man. But besides all that, man, lucky green, green and luck, y'all know what I'm trying to say, man. Let's get to these shoes, bro. Yes, sir. Bang! So here we have the box, y'all. We got the all over white box, man. Y'all normally see this box on, I know I've seen Jordan mids with this kind of box, and I want to say mainly Jordan, like, women exclusives normally come in this box, man. And this is one of those. This is a women's exclusive. This is the women's Air Jordan 3 retro color blocking. It's white varsity red lucky green, man. So we do have the lucky green joints right here in the building, all white box. I did go 10.5 W, which is equivalent to a men's 9. And I always question, bro, why do y'all put men's sizing on a women's shoe, man? Never seems to, you know what I'm saying, just have me just question it. But anyways, man, all white box, man. This isn't the first lucky green that we have seen from Jordan brand. I'm about to actually pull out another pair. It does have a lot number, red little sticker right there on the top, as you can see. 2-3 on the paper right there, and when we pop it open, you got some white paper beneath that, and then underneath that we got, bang, the Air Jordan 3 lucky greens, man. So like I did say, this shoe is set to release May 18th. The retail price on this shoe is $200, y'all, but right now, man, on like StockX and other apps, the lowest X is right now currently below retail. At the time of me making this video, man, it's going to be low retail. So I don't know, man. I don't think that this shoe has that much demand on them, but it is a nice shoe. You know what I'm saying? I don't think that this shoe is a bad looking shoe in my opinion. And it's crazy, like, you know, shoes like this, they gonna give us the hang tag, but of course Wizards 3s, we didn't get no hang tag, man. But bang, here you have them right here, man, the Air Jordan 3 lucky green. These will not be in extended sizes. I think they'll only go up to like a 10.5, which is a 12 in men's, I want to say. So yeah, these will not be in extended sizes to my knowledge, but yeah, $200 is the price tag on them. As you can see, it does look very familiar. As far as the color blocking, man, we've seen several Jordans that has this same exact color blocking, man. Most recently, bang, the Air Jordan 4, arguably the sneaker of the year, but I'm gonna just hold my tongue, I'm waiting. But the Air Jordan 4 Nike SB, same exact color blocking, y'all, like same exact, you know, kind of like light aged cream color, and the green hits, the red hits, you know what I'm saying? So kind of the same color blocking. It makes me question, do I need these? You know what I'm saying? I might end up getting rid of them. I'm not even gonna hold you, but it is a different silhouette. It is of course a Jordan 3. That kind of makes a difference. So not only the Air Jordan 4 though we've seen in this color blocking, prior to this shoe we've seen another shoe, bang, the Air Jordan 2 lucky greens, man. So I do have a lace swap in my pair, but they did come with the white laces the same as these. But look, man, It's like a lucky green pack. I wonder if they're trying to do like 1 through 12 maybe. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Having lucky greens, because I think we also got a lucky green. What was the green ones that released? I do have them gorge green. They're not lucky greens, but we do got a lucky green. We do have the ones that just recently released that is called lucky green. So according to Nike, there's a lucky green 1 through 4 right now, basically, if you want to count the Nike SBs. But yeah, man, these is another shoe, same exact color blocking as y'all can see. So it's like, do I really need all of them? I don't know, I might, but getting these up out of here, man. As you can see, the lucky green Air Jordan 1s, man, they clean, bro. We should have got a little green jump man back there though, man, but you know, still overall, I ain't mad at it. I think that this shoe has better quality than the Air Jordan 3 Reimagines. The pairs that I have seen, it's more consistent on, of course, the elephant print than the Reimagines, and I think that that shoe should have been the shoe that they got right, you know what I'm saying? But we always don't ever get what we want, you know, when it comes to Jordan brand sneakers, man. But I must say the quality is bare on this shoe. Good quality, man. I think it's actually a solid shoe, man. And your boy Jay is a big fan of the Air Jordan 3s, man. So this for me, I don't know, man. I haven't made up my mind. Like I said, I just showed y'all 2 other shoes that I have in the same exact color blocking. Do I need this one? You know what I'm saying? But I don't know. It's a Jordan 3. That's what kind of just gives me mixed vibes. But do got Widow's Peaks right there, just like the Reimagines had, right there on the front. And it's not a bad shoe, man. It's not bad in my opinion, but it's definitely something that looks familiar. We've seen shoes that look exactly like this. I showed y'all already, man. But y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions, man. If these were to come in extended sizes, all my Bigfoot people, would you cop? Everybody who can't fit them, let me know, would y'all cop? Is it one that y'all are going after, man? But like I said, man, when you got the SB4s, I mean, I got the 2s too, man. So it's just one of them things, man. But y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on these. Not bad. Only laces that they come with, of course, is the white laces, but definitely can do some different swaps and stuff with it, man. So y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions, and why y'all gonna give us, you know what I'm saying, the hang tag on a shoe like this when y'all could have gave us a hang tag on a shoe like that, you know? But it is what it is. They always do the ladies right, man. But let me know, is this a cop for y'all, man? May 18th, $200 is the retail price, but I don't think that these will be a hard shoe to get if y'all want them. But I just wanted to give y'all a first look at these. I will end up throwing these on feet. I don't know, like I said, if I'm gonna keep them or not, but y'all let me know, man. That is it for the Air Jordan 3 Lucky Greens, set to release here in a couple weeks, 3 weeks pretty much to be exact, man. But well, a little under 3 weeks. But yeah, that is it, man. Your boy Jay is checking out with them. Y'all stay blessed. Make sure y'all run the lights up as always for the early heat, and I'll be back at y'all tomorrow, man. Happy Sunday. Peace.
Robbie, Bronco, Lil Big, Condo, get it, pronto, hater, Jondo, Big Face, Hondo, Big J, Rondo, Big J, Lonzo, Big Humongo, drip to a T, open for business, got drip for a fee, JTSG, fly like a fleet, stay with the heat, no need to